Ugo Chubu, don't look at her size, she's very wise. Ugo Chubu, don't look at her size, she's very wise. That you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That you think say she no go. Ugo Chubu, don't look at her size, she's very wise. That you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That you think say you hide the world, she must ask you. A guy no go guy yo, cause this you go na old cargo. Anything you think you say you know, you go no pass you waru. Before you see you go don't see. Before you talk, you know what you want talk. Now her right you, she just the fight you. I want see my papa, I want to go home. Go.
Ugo, stop it! See, go in there. Take your shower and prepare to shop.
I'm not going anywhere. I need to go home.
Which home? Which other home do you have other than this one?
Yes. Were you not the one that told me that my father is in Anambra State?
You are dreaming.
Does this place look like Anambra to you?
You are a dreamer. You are dreaming. Go in there and take your shower.
I'm not going anywhere.
You are not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere. Leave me.
As what?
Leave me.
As what to go?
Leave me.
I will kill you. No, why? I will kill you.
Leave me alone.
I will kill you. Look at this one though.
Leave me now.
You're talking about my...
Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Never.
Go in there. How dare you talk about a man that doesn't even care about you?
Who doesn't care? For the fact that both of you are no longer together doesn't mean he's not my father. He's my father. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ugo!
See, you
Ugo! Ugo!
Leave me alone.
Don't play with me.
Leave me alone. Nonsense. I'm not going to die. You're not staying shop again.
Come back here. Come back here. You will come back and meet me in this house. Don't worry. You will come back and meet me in this house. You're asking about your father.
Oh wow.
I like that for you now. Oh wow. You know my guy now.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh no, don't help me again.
Oh wow.
Oh no, don't help me again. Oh wow. Don't help me again.
Oh wow.
That's it, your usual now. As usual.
Drink now.
Oh
wow. Oh wow.
I think you drink don't come.
Oh wow.
No side you that guy. As he be like this, I suppose take one buff for the head though. One of my guys now. One of my homies now.
Oh wow.
Don't they help me again? Don't they help me like that? Look I tell you, that time why still go that way? Why still they east there? Why don't do work here? That's why they help me everywhere. Why? Oh wow. Now. I tell you, for that way, I get one school where they call CKC. I go that place, they pursue me. I can't see go another school again. What they call DMDS. They come pursue me. Cause they help me. I can't see go another school where they call Metu. They still pursue me. Cause they help me. They get another school where they call Compe. I still go Compe. They come still pursue me. Cause they help me. Finally, I can go Obio worker for park, for Pete.
Yes.
Now for that area, I can finally graduate. Now everybody can finally crown me the king. Can they call me? For this place, apart from drinks, so get we do. Better smoke day. One and number day. That go be need day. If you wanna day, you know the circles for here now. If I circles for here, all those them I'm sure you want them and all the boys them. You can't disturb me for my shop now. You don't understand. Help me
does not want to go to the shop with me, I will teach her a lesson today. I think I'm joking with her.
Make you no provoke, no falling hand. He will stampede you. Please tell you, I'm gonna wear the street. We're falling in love. Oh, oh, one, don't show. Oh, oh, one, oh, oh, everywhere. Oh, oh, one, oh, oh, one, don't show. Oh, be a pay.
One that will help me teach her a lesson today. Let me see how she's going to.
This is when network no dey your face. Can you imagine now? Play me the tape. Can you imagine? If you imagine now, make you try put more network for your face. Now network no dey your face at all. You know say you too delay me for today. Eh? By now, I don't suppose there for park. They monitor my boys as them they load buses. No. You can't defer my hand.
No vex. No vex. Can you imagine?
What is so?
You could refuse to follow me to the shop today.
I don't understand. What in conquers that one?
I don't just understand that girl.
Like I tell you, is it possible say for this time she won't go back to her papa? He just the dollar for nothing. Can you just not get MS?
But now what is she talk, Sha?
You see him now. Make you allow him. Make she go there with her papa. You can't be like say you dey lose guard. Condemn a grey more, condemn a yanda, but we had that small girl there.
Hey boy, I'm not gonna pick up that one
But
now.
the cut out I want to enter my area now. Look at. I don't know come out to make.
Wait. What of the money? Please stop.
Which money again? I never sell anything now. Now I just the open shop. Now you ball enter in. Now be the thing wakes up now. Which money again they talk about?
So now who can't drink all these things while they see for ground?
Nothing they see for ground now. These ones are the ones from yesterday now. I never sell anything for 2 days.
Oh God, I on Masri, I swept this shop before leaving yesterday. What did they talk?
Now which kind of nonsense capping be that one? Which kind of nonsense loose getting be that one? Now 001 you the follow talk. You want to accuse 001?
Are they cap?
Now behave yourself. No there.
Okay. Nah.
You pull my shirt.
Don't be in a rush, eh?
You pull my shirt.
Don't be in a rush.
You pull 001 shirt.
I believe you. I believe say you never sell anything.
Which game you want play here so now?
What?
Which are you boom Sam?
I need to confirm.
You know 001 or Sam? Okay now. Now behave yourself now. Why you condemn me more now? That one might. Nah, if you be say you be my baby, if you be say you be my miss, I for just.
My love, I am not doubting you. I just want to confirm.
I for stampede you here now.
Come on your hand. I go bring them out.
Nah,
you never sell anything, Abi?
Now why you condemn me more now? Why?
You never sell anything.
Just the for my hand for here.
Anyway, you never sell anything. See 1, 2,000, 22, 24.
Nah,
26.
Now my money be this.
27, 28. You never sell anything.
You don't catch me now. You don't
catch
me.
I don't tell you say if you play this kind of play where you play. No, they play with my business. I know they use this shop play. Nah. I know they try them.
You just for my hand.
This is the way you do it good.
You do this kind of way they play. No make sense at all. Behave yourself. A whole 001 for
this. God, they go.
Nah, behave yourself. Nah.
You don't even sweep shops. See us everywhere dead. See? Nothing. You don't do anything. You just come sell. What's wrong with my money?
Ugo, chubu. Don't look at her size, she's very wise. Ugo, Oh, look at her size, she's very wise. That thing you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That thing you think say she no go ask, she must ask you. That thing you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That thing you think say you hide it, she must ask you. Go, mama, go chubu, no look at her size, she's very wise. That thing you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That thing you think say you hide it, she must ask you.
I mean, this is my sister. She goes to that. No, I mean, don't say me don't rush it. Okay, now. Don't know that you will touch me. You love
she just fight you. I want to see my papa. I want to go home. Go. She be stubborn, she don't agree at all.
My specky, no be fuck up.
Go, chubu. No look at her size, she's very wise. Go, mama, go, chubu. No look at her size, she's very wise. That thing you think say she no know, she know I'm more. That thing you think say she no go ask, she must ask you. That thing you think say she no know, she know I'm more.
Send the gallant. I know you cannot mess around with me. No point. You think if you lock that, I cannot enter door? Yeah, I cannot enter inside the house and eat. Haha. You don't know me. You don't know. I have my own spare key. Me, I keep prepared. A guy cannot guide a gayo. Me, I be gayo. You cannot guide me. Even if you're my mother, you're no more exposed than I am. I know some things more than you. My eyes are more open than your own eyes. You don't know anything in this life. So stop feeling wise. Stop feeling wise. Not this mother. Not this mother, everybody can worship you. You think anybody can worship you? What's my mother? I should kill myself. In this house, my mission now is mission, show me my father. Else, nobody will have peace. Show me my father. Live your life, I live my life. Show me my father. Else, no peace for us.
I want to see my papa. I want to go home. She be stubborn, she don't agree at all.
Why you cap like this now? You don't forget. You don't forget saying I me be the 001 for the area. And I mean now, Ebube 001, na me. So before I go put body for this kind of matter, I go first of all sort my boys. You don't understand? I go make sure say all those my park them, all my PT them, all my drivers them, everybody there in town. Before I go put body for where you be. You don't understand? Like I clear you want to way, no. As I follow you talk like this, based on the 001 YP, money day.
Oh, really?
Don't be me again.
How do you know I need money?
Have that, Yeah, it's more where this came from. As long as you continue giving me this thing, the way I want it and the way I love it, more and more money going to come out. You don't understand? I got the word. I mean now, look, I tell you, all those area boys, why they see where you there? I don't want to see anybody around here again. If anybody lose guard, I'll make them all where I there. I go stampede the person. You don't understand?
See how much you're giving to me.
Come on, why here I saw? What did they do here? Why here I saw? But here I saw. I said, what am I saw?
I know you don't love my mommy, I know.
You know, look at this girl.
Dan, I saw everything. I heard everything. Stop pretending. I know you don't love my mother. You are just pretending.
No, you don't get everything wrong. The thing be say, you got more money. Why been the mama? Now you come here, come what? You want insult me?
Okay, what you gonna sweet you?
I can't stampede.
What you gonna sweet you? You are stealing my mother's money. You are enjoying.
No,
stop.
Be a full stop. Be a up. I go stampede you. Behave yourself. Now look at this thing now. Now all one is the follow talk. I mean, now all one no. I go stamp into you. No, you come be like sir, I don't fall my hand for the hood. Can you imagine now? Who they call me? No, Yeah, bottom boy. Can you find them in the park? What in the song for park? Play me the tape. In do waiting. You mark the faces. You mark their faces. What of ego ticket? Mark their faces as they come.
Chinwem, are you sure you don't want me to offer you anything?
Yes.
Anna, but this is unlike you. What is it?
Nothing, just that I don't feel like taking anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I just want to have soul-to-soul discussion with you.
You just sounded like you know why I asked you to come and see me today.
Why did you ask me to come?
I want to come and see your parents. See, I want us to make this relationship official. Let us take it to the next level.
I don't understand.
I want to marry you. I want to make you my wife.
Are you really sure of what you're saying?
I swear, I'm sure. I'm very sure.
This is the best news of the day. Oh, thank you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You see, I'm very glad that you are happy about it. What you do now is you tell your parents, tell them to give us a date so I can come with my uncles.
Well, my father traveled. Yes, he'll be back in a few days.
Okay, no problem. He will still come back.
Yes,
just drop my message.
Sure, I will do that. Come here. I'm so happy to hear this from you.
I was thinking you will reject me.
No, why would I do that? No, I can't say no.
I don't have money. I don't pack cheap. I did not pack. I'm really treat. I'm farmer.
It's a lie. It's a lie. I love it like that. I love it like that.
Thank you for loving me.
Why would I say that? Don't worry. I don't want to take anything.
And why is my dear friend this happy today?
How do you know I am happy?
Chinwe, have you forgotten that happiness is like a good perfume whose scent cannot be hidden? Now look at yourself. It is written all over you.
Well, I am happy. So happy.
So tell me, what's the good news?
Well, Okechi has requested to take our relationship to the next level.
Wait. You mean he wants to get married to you?
I'm so happy! Congrats!
Thank you so much.
I can't wait to be your chief bridesmaid.
And that day is I'm going to work.
Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride.
He said there is something he wants us to talk about.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm listening.
I want to go with my uncles to Iche Gabriel's house. I want to make my intention known to them towards their daughter.
That means you want to marry Chinwe?
Yes.
What about Omasiridia?
Which Omasiridia? Mama, what kind of question? Pale the cat Jubi Yenkan. Is it the Omasiridia that I know where she is, or the Omasiri that I don't know where she is? Which one are you talking about?
Omasi is not lost. If you want to see Omasi, you will definitely find him.
Mama, please leave this talk. Just leave this talk. There is no need looking for her. Omasiri left my life. She left everything, my emotion, everything. The day she walked out of my life, that was the day everything I had with her ended. And I'm happy that she moved on.
I can see you are angry. Remember that both of you have come a long way. You cannot just come now and say you are not interested anymore. And you know she was pregnant when she left this house. Okay, let me ask you. What if she comes back with the baby and you're married to Chinwe? What would you do?
That is none of my business. Mama, Obasarom. Yes, she left years ago and I left her too. Mama, please, I don't want to talk about this. Oh, I don't want to talk about this very matter again. Please, I don't want to.
I can see you're angry. Let me leave you. Let me just allow you to pull yourself together. And we will sit back and talk about this matter.
So long as it has to do with Omasiri, there is nothing to talk about. Nothing. Mama, I'm telling you, there is nothing to talk about.
There is something to talk about, my son. A lot. Ogenesi.
Omasiri Nkole. Mama, don't get me angry, oh. Don't just get me angry. What is this, Seth? I'm here to give you good news and you are telling me nonsense.
Hey, God. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, is this a dream or what? Ugo! Fatima! Did you see Ugo?
No.
Wait, how did she even enter the house? Doesn't mean she has a spare key that I don't know of or what? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Ah, no. Ugo, you are dead. Ugo had the nerves She had the effrontery to enter my kitchen and took the only fat meat I left in that pot. Hey, wait, Ugo, wherever you are, just know that you are dead. You are as good as dead. Just make sure you don't come back to this house because you won't find it funny with me. We shall see.
What I'm running away from has finally caught up with me. What could that be? Ibe, I wanted to go with my uncles to Iche Gabriel's house to make my intention known to them towards their daughter Chinwe. Okay. But my mother is saying that I should wait. I should reconcile with Kedeva Afia or Masere. That I should wait and marry her. But did she give you reasons for suggesting that? She reminded me that Omasiri was pregnant. That maybe she might have given birth. That what after marrying Chinwe and Omasiri returns with a child? That what will I do? Okay, don't you think it's a strong reason for that? No reason. Did you hear me? No single reason. It is over between me and Omasiri. We ended our relationship. Years ago. I don't have any business with her, so there's no reason. You see, my friend, I understand you so well. You know, you'll be asking yourself, questions like, where will you see her? Now, all those things that even if you see her, what will happen at the rest of the day? But the answer to all this, your question, is for you to find her. Just look for her. I have done that already, Ibe. I have done that. Her people don't even know where she is, so. Hey, nobody knows her whereabouts. I am telling you. And you are here telling me that I should go to Lagos and start looking. Where will I start from? Lagos. Do you know how big Lagos is? See, you are not getting it. You are not getting it, my friend. You see, what I want you to do is for you to go, search for her, ask questions. Mamma, I will never do that. Ibe, I can never do that. Over my dead body. You're serious? Me, go and look for Masere. As what? No, tell me, as what? Man, I can never do it. I will not do it. Look for Omagene. Oma.
My dearest daughter, Ada na-eri ukwu anụ. Ofu mkpụrụ anya ji so ụgwọ m. Nwa m ga-edu m ga obodo oyibo. Nne m, come, I got something very special for you. It's not danger. I bought you something special. Come and take it. Thank God you know that there is nothing special about this smile. Because no, look on me. I will never leave this seat. When you are done running, you come back. Idiot. You have the nerve to go to my pot and eat my meat. When you're done running, you come back to this house. That's what Obodo you will get back.
We do one more now. I will tire when I deal with with pot of sweetness like you. You know, say you do sweet.
Okay, if I give you one more, what would you give me?
Anything what you want, I will give you.
You will do it before I will give you.
I will give you the whole Lagos state.
I don't want Lagos, I just want money.
Then how much? That enemy of progress in
We go back to wherever you're coming from.
Mama, there's nowhere I can go. It's late, oh, please. Open the door.
Mama, let me forget about her. When she dey tired of knocking, she go come out. Pam, we are there. Now we won't give me the thing. Now she know say she go come there knock. Eh?
Babe, stop. You know I can't do that. She's my only daughter.
Nah,
Mama, it's cold out here.
We have to walk there. Nah,
Will you stop that nonsense? Yeah? Okay. Look for somewhere and sleep. If he's there, just go and meet him.
Mama, if I sleep on the floor, that means tomorrow we're taking me to my father's house.
What if I tell you don't have a father?
No,
Will
no.
this whole saga of I want to go to my father end?
No. At this point, make you come tell him the truth. Make she know the lose get up and down.
Ebube!
Tell him about her papa. Tell her where her papa did.
See, me, I want to go to my father's house. Because if I'm in my father's house, I will not be sleeping on the floor. Let me go to my father's house.
When you're done talking, you make space for yourself there. Baby, let's go.
Imagine how they
okay.
I go stampede you now.
It's enough, don't touch her. Yeah, leave my mother alone. Leave my mother alone.
I go stampede you.
Don't touch her again.
I go stomp into
It's
you.
enough. It's enough.
Nah.
Well, respect yourself.
Nah,
respect yourself. Oh.
I
I don't want to regret opening this door for you.
Mama, it's enough now.
Enough of what?
This morning, it's enough.
Even though I know be the best to your baby, oh my baby, you're still the one who you're still the one who now you they play my offense, play my offense, I go they play your defense, oh my baby, even though they come with attack, baby, oh my baby, we must have defeated them all, I be bad boy and nobody want to be with, but I love you.
Come on.
Oh my baby, make me relate to you. Make we try to connect to you. If we connect, I don't understand for you, baby. Oh my baby.
The truth is that I have forgotten Omasiri. Even if she comes back and asks me to marry her for free, God knows I would not. Even if she has a child for me, what becomes of the child if I marry another woman? Will the child forgive me for not asking for him or her for so many years? Well, myself and Norma CV has already moved on, so there is nothing much to worry about. Anytime she comes back, I will explain things to the child, if there is any child. That is the only way out.
Now you they play my offense, I go they play your defense, yo. Even though they come with attack, yo, baby. We must have defeated them all. I'll be your one.
What if I marry him and Omasri comes back? What if she has a child for him? If I say yes and she appears, the big question is, what do I do?
I say anybody when they try to stop us, them go neglect you. Oh my baby, make me relate to you.
Leave me alone! Sinner!
Ugo, oh yeah, bring back that clothes.
Adam and Eve, what will you do? I'm not bringing it back.
Now we got no sense to get him this one now. This guy just them making much, just them meander. I don't provoke.
Calm down, Nana. My daughter, you talk about. You won't kill her.
I go stampede her.
Stampede me now. Stampede me. Oh yeah, come, let's run.
Bring back his clothes. Oh?
I can tell you,
Follow me.
This matter in the back now. We go now. This guy just she just match my hierarchy.
Ugo!
She just the kind of.
Follow me, let people see your nakedness.
I don't like it. Stop it.
Follow me, let them see your nakedness.
Give me the clothes.
Come on, follow me.
This matter, I don't matter when they follow softly. Stampede her. She can't be this. She just can't motion me. She just match my hierarchy.
Calm down. You know, go school this me. They blow grammar.
Just look at what you're doing to your mother outside. I am naked.
I'm not giving you.
Let me go inside.
Mama, I'm not giving you anything. I'm not giving you anything. See there, white and black, if I sin against God and you are proud.
No, this is the height of the insult. I don't feel take this kind of insult again.
Oh, calm down.
Allow me.
My daughter, I will handle this.
Allah.
She will bring back your clothes.
No,
Leave me.
Oya, bros. Sheesh. Should I talk? Let's work together. Are you with me?
No.
I am with you. Talk.
No, me, I'm not there with her. I go stomp into her.
Let me go now. Let me go now. Are you with me?
Yes, talk. I'm with you. Talk.
Bros, are you with me?
Yes.
No.
You go just say yes.
No.
Just say yes.
I'm there with you.
Yeah.
Fine. The thing is, I'll give you the clothes on one condition.
No, there's no condition. I go take them for you.
Control your man, oh. Let him not touch the dog here.
His clothes now. What is wrong with you?
The condition is either this your man stop coming to this house, or you take me to my father and marry him officially. Are you hearing it, Mama? Mpa, Mam, you're my mouth, you're Mpa.
Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. Okay, I am concurring with you. I will take you back to your father.
Good.
Can I have his clothes?
Yes, you can have it, but no, shift. You want to beat me? I don't. Shift. Take your man, shift.
I get this kind of stuff from anybody before. I mean, all one for back. No, there's no more.
If you're not ready, let me be going. You're just spoiling.
I don't get build up.
Carry my shift. Let me drop it myself. Shift. Hold him.
Just keep it here.
Chain him there, oh.
He is here with me. Just keep his clothes there.
If anything happens to me.
Nothing will happen to you. Your mother is here now.
If anything happens to me.
Nothing will happen to you. Happy. Let me get you.
Because of you now, I go stampede this girl.
What do I have to do?
No, just leave him.
This not the one where they friend me pass here. This one where you did like this, come outside. I know make person they see what they chop. They go inside. Go inside.
Go. My God, let's go.
You see you. My about to God, where make me and you,
Baby, let's go.
I don't mark your face, you go collect. Pop my girl back, pop my dear.
See my mama there, oh. You are saying Pam, see my mama there.
Pop my dear. If I get you,
Buka, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I go stampede you. I go stampede you. No. You imagine me.
I don't want to see in this house again. I don't want to see you here again. No. Baby, let's go. Let's go, please.
No, I don't need to go.
Me, I'm worried though. I'm worried though.
You're worried. Why are you worried? You said the only thing you want in this life is to go back to your father, isn't it? The time has come. So why are you worried?
I want you to come with me. Because your life is in danger. You are staying here with your enemy.
I never knew I have a prophetess in my house. Ugo, so you now see vision? I have no idea. Who is the enemy you're talking about?
Your nonsense, Ebube. He doesn't love you. He's just playing games with you.
Mwagi! Ugo, if I slap you, this your eyes, you will start seeing from your back. It's like you're very stupid. Look at that, your tiny mouth.
Now.
What do you know about love? As tiny as you are, you're talking about love. You're very, very stupid. Idiot. See, Nne, you said your problem is your father. You want to go and meet your father. I don't have issue with that. You will go and see your father. But if I can never step my feet in that man's house. Never.
Okay. Wow.
I have endured enough. I have taken enough from your hands. This one you did this morning is the height of it. I will not take it all. I must take you back to your father. Ngwabiye. Stand up now. Let's go. I should be going. Come on, move. I want to go and see your father.
Look at her size, she's very wise.
Wahala no dey finish you. Every day not something new. Trouble no dey finish you. This beginning now. Mama carry me, go give my papa. Mama carry me, go give my papa. I know be born to the way.
Poko.
I'm not happy. Give me a drink.
One jeko. One jada unku. You don't lose God, huh? Oh, you don't lose God, that's most out. Eh? Now I go get peace of mind for the area now. Now you come. Eh? Now I can sleep with my two eyes closed. Eh? Let me say I go to sleep the mount my men guard. All those them Cheged them. All those them John Joloko them. Obia Paiwa them. Million sit them. Eh? I go get peace of mind now.
That's what you've always wanted.
You know, no say that give a presence for this area, for this house. They distract us well. If I tell you the things why I don't suffer for that girl, and you don't go believe them. That full stop.
What did she do to you?
Make we forget about the things where she do and the things where she no do. Make we focus on the good things ahead. The most important thing now be say, that me and you day now. Make we the potoli, make we the popori. I suggest make I go my house, go carry my bag, come, make I live permanently. You don't understand? Now when I do like this now, she know they again, make we do this thing now. You know say if I look you at times, especially with the kind of load, heavy load where you carry for back, now your type then they call doctor's prescription 3 times a day. But with your size, I go take morning, take afternoon, take night. At times I go even they take overdose. Now your type flavor look finish. Where go Ebube. Okay, go inside. Okay, Papa tell me I go see you.
Because I'm not in the mood. Because just don't touch me.
No, I can't see here now. You don't lose God again. You just make them more up and down. Okay, go inside. Make you give me this thing now. You go tell me say the girl they here to distract us or waiting. She know they.
I am not just in the mood.
I go put you in the mood. Make you not lose God though. Make you go inside. Keep up tell me if you go see here. Now, behave yourself. Can't wait for the enemy for us. Can you just see? Can you find a message now? Pam Magidia. I could go inside, I beg. me water.
I no do now, I no do.
Mama carry me, go give my papa. Mama carry me, go give my papa. I know be born to the way. I be somebody that time. Somebody begin.
Sorry. Please, do you know Mr. Okechi Ndukwe?
You mean late Mazi Ndukwe's son?
Yes, maybe.
Okay. If he's the one, that means you have to go straight. The first house by your right, with black gate, just enter the compound.
Okay, thank you. Like this.
Yes, just go straight.
I just want to see him. If my papa no get money, I go see the love him. Take me to my papa. Mama carry me, go give my papa. Mama carry me, go give my papa. I know be born to the way. I be somebody.
Go. We don't have change. Just go down there and look for change. Yes, it's so much. Thank you so much. That lemon persists in me.
Yes.
Don't take more than that. You tried, but next time you want to cook rice, just use hot water and wash the rice first. After washing it, you can now cook it once because this one is overdone.
No problem. If I'm cooking the next time, I'll do it. Mama, I want to be the one doing all the cooking in this house.
You'll be doing the cooking, I'll be doing more of the eating.
I like it. And I put vegetable on.
Why did you put only 2 meats now?
2 meats, you take one, I take one.
No, you know I like eating 2 meats. Go. Why did you shout like that?
Mama, I had a very bad dream.
Bad dream? What happened in your dream?
Somebody was pursuing me. I was running. Then the person now catch me and want to hit me. My father now saved me.
Your father?
Yes.
Even if you see your father now, you will not recognize him. Because I'm sure I left him while he was still in my room.
Mama, I don't know, but I saw him.
Well, it's just a dream.
No, this thing shows that my father is a good man and he really needs to see me.
Eh?
Yes. Because the way he was so caring, the way he was carrying me, taking me up and down, saving me in my dream, he was just telling me my daughter, my daughter.
That was not your father. That was not your father. You don't know your father. Eh? So go back to sleep. It's well. It's just a dream. We'll go back to bed. Tomorrow we'll talk about it. Oh?
Are you sure?
I am sure. Go back to bed. Okay? Sleep. Tomorrow we'll talk about it. There's nobody in this room now. There's nobody in this room. Just try and sleep. Hmm?
Mama, can we talk about my father now?
There is nothing to talk about him. Go and get ready for show.
Mama, I need to meet him in person. I need to know my father.
Maybe I should tell you this so you will stop bothering my beautiful life. Never, not while I'm still alive. So stop asking for the impossible.
Why?
Because he's a nobody. He doesn't deserve to be called a father.
I can see him wronged you in the past. But can we talk about it?
I am done speaking about a man who doesn't even know you exist. So get up and go get dressed for shop. Who go get up?
I know I'm saying this thing in a soft way.
Bianco Juku Bem. Mama me what I'm going to now. How one are you there here? They make it more. How one are you there here? They meander the got up and down. I there inside they wait for you. Make you carry this thing, come out, make I chow. Come inside, make you give me this thing, and I go chow. You can't do this thing because of that small stout. Because of that rob. Because of that party, that full stop. Forget about her.
Letting my child go is the worst mistake of my life. What was I thinking? What was I thinking?
Now come on, what I'm doing is some pump magidia. Guy for them now. Guy just now. Forget about her. You know, say as she come out, me and you go now get enough space. We now get enough freedom. Make we do our thing. Make we the pottery. Make we the potpourri. Make we the enjoy life. Kaina kondo. Kaina hoa. You know understand?
Did you just say Ebube?
Look, you don't make mistake. Call me that Ebube again. You call me 001. But you know what are you?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you because you have no idea what it means to have a child in your womb for 9 good months.
If I say,
nurture her until she becomes a proper human being.
If I say white people they do set for your head, Abby. If I say bomb to your head, Abby. I go stomp into you here now. Oh, one the talk, you the talk. No, oh, one the talk, you the calm. Behave yourself, bro. Look at this here.
Get out of my house.
You know what thing?
Get out of my house! And I don't want to see you anywhere around my premises. Do you understand? Get out!
Now, oh, one you push.
I said get out.
No, oh, one you...
Get out of my house. Leave. Leave my house. Leave my house. Get out of my house.
It's nice.
Like it, Abby?
Yes, I like it. Sorry.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Who are you?
My name is Ugochinyere. My mother told me that my father's name is Mr. Okechi. So I'm here to see Mr. Okechi.
Who is your mother?
Omasiri.
Hey! Omasiri is your mother?
Yes.
Hey! My daughter!
You are my father.
Hey! I am your father!
Finally!
Hey! Look at... She's my daughter!
I'm your daughter.
Hey, hey! Like father, like daughter.
Yes,
Sharp girl.
yes.
Eh? We don't need DNA on this one. This one is my daughter.
Yes. Papa!
Hey! Mama! Mama! My daughter is back home! Hey! Hey!
Mama, this thing is too much, oh. It's too much. Where will I even start from?
Start from anywhere. Start
Anywhere
from
you
anywhere.
like, start.
See, let me tell you, assuming you let me know that you're coming, I would have prepared for you well. Kill one goat.
Don't worry, this one is enough. This one is big. Let me just start.
My daughter, enjoy yourself. Everything is for you. Hey, enjoy, eat.
Thank God I came here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Mama, this one is my daughter. Hey, my flesh and blood. One man original.
It's nice, though.
I'm not back kitchen. Nothing is nice. They cook.
Eat.
Eat.
Very sharp girl.
Like
Very
father,
sharp.
like daughter.
She just located her father's compound. Bah. Mama, this one is my daughter, my true daughter. We don't
Your
need
blood.
DNA here. Eh.
Your true blood.
Hey. Eat.
Take it easy, oh.
Anything
Everything
you want,
is
I'll
yours.
give.
Rice,
Just
nsala, this fisherman soup.
Ugochinyere nwa m.
Lie o. Ịnọlụ be ma before ịmali ya yito ogologo eri atụ a. O enyere ya nni melody ọdịka. Ihe ezigbo nni nne m.
Eat.
Mama doesn't cook this kind of food.
I don't know.
She doesn't have money.
But how is she?
She's fine.
I hope she should come here.
Mama, forget about please allow the child to eat. John is our mother.
I'm going to join me now.
Join you. No, the food is for you alone.
No,
Just
now.
eat.
Join me.
Yeah.
Join me.
To make you happy.
Please let us welcome her. Let's eat together. Oh, Chineke na ọ dị ego. Nwayọ imelụ arụ.
Let me join my daughter.
I'm done with the fried rice too.
Yes, everything.
Everything.
But just mind that place. Let her be eating them, yeah? So that you don't purge.
I just hope she's home safely. But why hasn't she called? She's supposed to have called and tell me she's home. Eh? By the way, where is Ebube? I have not seen him in this shop since today. Are you sure he's not angry with the way I asked him to leave?
I'll be your 001, you be my 002, oh my baby. You dey tingling me for my body, oh my sweet yo. Mama watamo, I be your papi water, make we just the quaranga de go. Anybody when they try to stop us, no, them go collect you. say anybody when he try to stop us, them go regret you. Oh my baby, make me relate to you. Make me try to connect to you.
What happened moments ago?
I don't really stand for your gate, baby. Oh my baby,
You happened?
What? How? Does he have a daughter?
We were having a nice moment when she walked in.
Chinwe, this is not good at all.
Yes.
With the way you said she walked in, trust me, her mother could be within.
I think you're right. She might have sent her to spy on him, to know if he's in a serious relationship or even married, then get back to her.
That may be the plan. But you need to discuss with Okechi. Ask him questions. Then observe his countenance. And from there you can tell what is about to happen. Okay? It's okay. Stop crying, yeah?
I think you're right.
I am.
Thank you so much.
I'm always here for you.
Alright.
It's okay.
Okay. Do you not understand?
It's okay.
It was a shock on me. I couldn't say anything. I was just quiet.
It's okay. Calm down. You'll be fine.
It's okay. My person. I just hate so.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. He's not a man. Move on, baby girl. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh my baby, make me relate.
Mama, thank you so much for the food.
Thank you for liking the food.
Thank you too for giving me food. You know, it's been long I ate something like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Mama, I came here for some reasons.
What are the reasons?
First of all, I just want to I want to know who I am, where I'm from. You get. Secondly, I want to know who my father is. And lastly, I want to know if I can in any way to reconcile my mother and my father. Yes, I want them to come together as husband and wife.
It's a good thought. I wish them well too. But you see, each time I mention your mother to my son, he gets so angry that I can't even be able to control him. I don't know what happened.
That's exactly how my mother behaves. Anytime I bring up a topic about my father, she just bring up something trying to fight with someone. Honestly. But do you know why they separated?
If you ask me, I don't know. I don't know why all of a sudden they became cat and rat. I can't say. I can't figure it out. Amarom.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay. Maybe I will just ask him and know what he has to say.
I pray he opens up to you.
He will. Definitely. And Mama, the lady I saw him with when I came, who is she?
Oh, that one. Is the lady he wants to marry.
I be bad boy, nobody.
Behave yourself.
Why are you still angry about nothing? Maybe because I can't forgive you.
Nah, I say make you day your day now, make I day my day. What in there? I go stampede you and behave yourself.
I know I can't live without you now. I love you. Why are you still angry?
No, come on, match am there. So zero the matter. So at this point, I say make you day your day, make I day my day. Make you know the lose guard. So
I can't live without you. I can't live without you. Forgive me now.
Which kind of nonsense talk be that one?
But I said sorry now.
Which kind of nonsense sorry talk be that one?
Can't you accept apology?
No, come on, zero the matter. So come on, zero the matter. So which kind of nonsense capping be that one? No, which kind of nonsense lose guard be that one? Me will be 001. I be you like who they talk about love. No, I be you for who there for love matter. Make I clear you, If I be say you be my mpenzi wangu, if I be say you be my mwanja dada unku, mwanja zuike, mwanja na pula. If I don't bust bottle, if I don't chuku you for nash, if I don't use bottle, design this your face. I the talk, you can't emotion me. I the talk, you don't watch my hierarchy. You don't move me for the hood. Me where be 001, where all the boys for the area they fear. You know get fear for where I did.
Why are you treating me like this? Why are you treating me like this?
I go stampede you.
Is it because I asked you to leave the house? Simple thing. That is why you are getting this angry.
No, I know there for this kind of talk. If you lose God again for where I did, but how about the God? If you lose God for where I did again, I go bust 2 bottles for your head. Use them to you for face. Come on, why here now? I said, come on, why here, sir?
I'm sorry. I keep saying I'm sorry. You will forgive me. Who will I stay with now? Who will I stay with? You're telling me you don't want again. I'm sorry now. It's me. Come
on, disengage, sir.
I will not do.
Come on, disembark, sir. I said, make you disembark.
I will not.
Where you there? Where you there? Keep for my chest like this. Come be like say it takes time to do me jiggy for body. No, I never forgive you. I go take my time, think calm.
You know, you not think anything.
I know, I go take my time, reason the matter.
Forgive me now.
The way you keep for my chest like
forgive
this.
Me now.
You don't they do me popori for body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
Let me see.
So you forgiving me?
Like say you go there for front, make I take my time, reason now. I know can't they understand anything.
Now you they play my offense, I go they play your defense, even though they come with attack, baby. We must have defeated them all. I'll be your 001, you be my 002. Oh my baby, you they tingling me for my body.
Here is saying, and you.
Oh my sweet,
if I know, I won't be asking you.
I'll be your puppy water. Make we just the go.
You have a child and you did not tell me. Does it mean you're married?
Married? No, I'm not married.
But she said she's your daughter. If she's back, that means her mother will come back and stay with you.
Her mother will never come back. It is over between Omasiri and I, and it will remain like that. I'm a single man, married again.
Are you saying if she comes back, you will not accept her?
Yes, I will not. You are my woman now, and we are getting married. Yes, the only way to prove me right or wrong is to tell your father to come back. You see.
Are you sure you're not going to change your mind?
No, I will not change my mind. Change my mind for what? Eh? You are my wife. Eh? I'm a single man that is getting married to you, eh? I'm not married. So, is that why you are angry?
Why won't I be angry?
You know you like shakara. I'm not married now. We're engaged.
Yeah. Thank you so much for proving your love to me.
Oh, Papa, don't you think it would be nice to unite my mother? Like, marry her officially so that we can live as one good family.
My dear, your mother is the last person I will ever think of living with under the same roof.
Why?
will not understand. You won't understand.
I believe you explained to me, I will understand.
Your mother is a bad person. Yes, Jezebel. Your mother is wicked. She's evil. And I can't live with her as a wife.
Okay, then what did she do?
I said I don't want to talk about your mother. Don't get me angry. I don't want to talk about your mother. Okay, look, I'm getting a woman.
Why did...
Don't tell me about your mother again.
Why do you both hate each other like this? What is going on? This is not ordinary. Oh. It's not ordinary. It's not ordinary at all. I must get to the root of it. Because you cannot tell me that you just all of a sudden start hating on each other like that. Meaning what? Me, I'll get to the root of it. I cannot give up like that.
Baby, you've killed me. All my energy is gone. What did you drink today?
And you sabi collect. What do
you expect? What do you expect?
You get this.
You know how to make me feel like a woman.
Oh, baby. Mama, me water me na tori really.
Who is this? Hello?
Whatever you think that you are planning has failed. You hear me? It will not work.
Biko, identify yourself.
If you like, pretend from now till whenever. I don't care. That is none of my business. But I am telling you that your plan has failed.
Is this Okechi?
It is me, Okechi. My daughter gave me your number. If you think you can reconcile us by sending my daughter to me, then I'll be glad to tell you that your plan has failed totally.
You must be very stupid for sounding that way to me. By the way, who is even your daughter?
Me stupid. Omasiri, me stupid.
Yes, you are very stupid, Okechi, and you will remain stupid. Look at this fool. So in your dream, if they tell you that I or Masiri wants to reconcile with you, you will agree. You are senseless. I will never have anything to do with you again, Okechi. Did you hear me?
We shall see to that.
Who be that person? Who be that?
Can you imagine?
I don't provoke. Who be that?
Oh, God's stupid father.
That's your man.
See, that man is lucky I didn't know he's the one to call him because I will not even pick it.
And you even for my hand. Why you call you even pick the call? Why you not give me the phone? Make I blast him. It's the worry that man, When I went one day here, why you not give me the phone? Make I blast him well. I don't provoke again. Give me that phone, make I call my boys.
No.
No, I won't call my boys.
I can handle this.
No,
babe, don't do that.
Make I call Shege.
I can handle this. Don't worry, I can handle it.
I don't para. Anywhere where in them palm where dear. What you be that name again?
Okechi.
Okechi, see
that
you.
Is a stupid name.
You see you, Okechi. My about to God, where making me and you, I don't mark your face to God. I don't mark your face. Me, Ebube 001, na park, na pit, na bunk. 001, mwa na madu na atuegu. Mweta page. Okechi mweta page.
My love is okay. I can handle this. Don't worry yourself.
Imagine the fine moment where we be the gate. It can't spoil our joy.
It cannot.
So, my dear, how did it go with Okechi?
He assured me that he can never have anything to do with Omasira ever again.
Do you believe him?
Yes, I do. He loves me and that is what matters to me right now.
You know, Chinwe, I am so worried about the whole thing.
How do you mean?
Chinwe, I am having this feeling that Okechi may disappoint you at the end of the day.
God forbid. How can you say that to me?
Amen. You know, my happiness in all this is that your father will soon come back. At least the introduction will be done.
That's exactly what I'm waiting for. Once the introduction is done, the rest will be history.
Exactly. So once your father comes back, make sure you pressurize Okechi to do the needful. If not, Oga Kwakwayo.
Sure, I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I truly appreciate it.
Ugo, you don't look happy. What is the problem? What is it?
The thought of how you and my mother behave each time one person's name is being mentioned to the other is getting me worried.
Forget about your mother. Your mother is a bad person. She's evil. The only good thing she has ever done in her life is giving birth to you and allowing you return to me. If not, babash.
Okay, can you tell me what she did to you?
Your mother did everything. All the calamity, all the taboo, all the evil. Yes. So I cannot forgive or even reconcile with her.
I'm not talking about you reconciling with her. What I just want to know is what she did to you.
My dear, forget about what she did to me. I already told you that she's evil. Okay? So forget it for now. On a very good day, I will tell you what she did. But for now, I will tell you at the right time. Nugo? Nugo? Hey! Omale Tamo!
Okay.
Hey!
Oh, the ma.
Sit down.
Okay.
Hey.
Guess what?
Your father is back.
How do you know?
Okay, Chief, a sharp guy now. I'm very sharp. The excitement is written all over your face and you are happy.
Yes, I'm happy. You can say that again. Okay. I've told my father about your request for my introduction and he said you're free to come.
You have done good. What will happen now is that I will inform my kinsmen. I will communicate with them today. Get any updates. Gambia Pianogo say.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
You don't need to wait for us. So we are coming. Don't worry. It's okay. You people should prepare for us.
Come and see me.
We are coming.
You're okay.
Ugo, I'm coming. Hi.
I'll be your 001, he be my 002. Oh my baby, you dey tingling me for my body. Oh my sweet yo, mama what I be your papi water. Make we just the quaranga go. Anybody when they try to stop us, no, them go collect you. I say anybody when they try to stop us, them go neglect you. Oh my baby, make we relate to you. Make we relate to you. Make we try to connect to you. Make we connect. I don't understand for your gate here, baby. Oh my baby, oh my baby. Oh my sweet yo. Oh my sweet
Mama. Get on me now. Get it now. I go soon a letter now, We got line, I see the pin now. Hello, Mama, what I'm getting now. Get on me. Any problem? What's in the bar? Get on me now. Get it.
I kept some money here, but I couldn't find it. I've searched everywhere. Did you see it?
I see the money now.
Hey, now I'm relaxed because I've been looking for it. Please, where did you keep it? I need to use that to something.
Now behave yourself. For which kind of talk with that one? Which one be say whether I keep the money for you? I don't chop on now.
No, wait. I didn't hear you correctly. What did you say? See, Ebube, I am sure you're joking. I am very, very sure you're joking because I need this money right now and I want to use and get something. Where is it, Joe?
Come on, behave yourself, dear. Make you know the lose get up and down. You see you, for that nonsense where you just stay for that place. I'm about to God, where make me behind you. I don't mark your face to God.
No, now your mother, they ask you. See, Oga, I beg you. Tell me where you keep her, make her go collect them. I want you to do something. Ebube! Come back and meet me.
And Mama, it's me, Ugo.
Hey, Chinyere. Thank God you called because I've been expecting this call. That message you went for in the village who sent you.
I don't understand. Which message?
You don't understand. I will help you understand. You went and talked to your father into reconciling with me. Did I beg you? Did I ask you? Did I tell you I want to reconcile with him?
Nobody sent me any message. I'm not here for anybody. I just came here for my own self. Nobody sent me any message. And I want to ask you, what can't you just reconcile? Can't you just come back to forgive him? So that you people just live as one family.
Me, Omasiri, live with your father as husband and Gini over my dead body. It will never happen in this life.
Okay, what did he do to you? Just tell me what he did to you.
There is nothing to talk about. There is nothing to talk about when it comes to your father. But just know today that that useless man you are sitting with right now, because I know he's there. I know he's listening to me. Just know that that man is useless, wicked, senseless, and worthless.
So you're trying to tell me now that you don't have anything in mind to come back to me?
Gochinyo, before you called me, I was very, very angry. And this call was worsening everything. Just don't call me again. Do you understand? Shut up, I'm not done talking. Now look into that father of yours. Look at his eyes because I know he's there. Look into his eyes and tell him I said I, Omasiri, will never in this life have anything to do with him. It is over. It is over for good. Inugo, rubbish.
This one, my own stubbornness is too much. It's excessive.
What did she say?
Too stubborn. She's not saying anything. Just getting unnecessary angry.
That's exactly how they both behave. If you call them to reconcile them, this is exactly what they do. They don't want to listen. They don't even want to hear about it. What is this? Huh?
I don't know why this is going inside.
Ebube.
One.
Do you still want this relationship? Oga, you go answer me. You go answer me because today go be the first and last way you go steal my money for this shop. You dey hear me so? You don't go try am again. If you try am, that will be the end of this relationship.
Which kind of nonsense is getting be that one?
Let me you dey talk to.
Which kind of nonsense falling off hand be that one? Which kind of nonsense make more so? You could just open your mouth wide in my very before. You know fear. Say you sit before 001. You dey holler me. You dey para me. You dey lose God for where I dey because of ordinary 22. Behave yourself. Make I no stampede you.
Wait. So, now my money, the one where I suffer get, you dey call ordinary. No, I dey ask you now. Now the money where I suffer get, you dey call shame. Why? Something they worry you for head. You know, okay, you know normal.
Matter me again. If you be say you be my baby, if you be say you be my mama me water, if you be say you be one jia da danko, one jesuike, one jia napola, if you be say you be my mpenzi wangu, I for stampede you here now. You see that nonsense call where you call me so, You know what in that call cost me. You know the kind of things why I lose because of that mumu call, that
call. You lose. What do you lose?
You see what the time where you place that call, I there with all my boys them. You don't forget say we dey do an election for the park for the person wey go retain the position of the 001. And me I don't dey eye the position where MC Oluomo dey for this Eko. I want to become the overall #1, the overall 001 for Eko. Now you carry that your useless nonsense call come spoil things for me. You know that time when you call me all those my boys them. All those shaggy them, all those John Joloko them, all those them will be a Paiwa them, all those them Milense them, all those them Galadima them, all those them Musa them, even okay Dakota them, all my niggas them there for my back. They hell me 001. I can't declare the ranks for them with that small why I collect from you. You can't carry that nonsense call, cause poisons for me. Taka sana sikupendi. Nah, I go stomp into you.
You see the nonsense where they yarn with your mouth. You carry woman money, they buy drink for your useless boys.
Maybe my woman.
You carry woman money, they buy drink for your useless boys.
My woman money.
You know they shame.
My woman money be my money.
Which useless woman you see? I don't tell you my own. No, they steal my money because I'm not gonna take them again. No try them again. No, just try them.
You don't counter motion me now. No, you don't counter motion me. You just the match my hierarchy for this hood. You don't forget saying that 001 I be. You just the counter motion me. You just the match my hierarchy. When I get a message, I challenge you. Take one post. I go stampede you. Behave yourself. Oh.
I don't talk my own. No, all this long talk when they talk, I know they understand them. Just no touch my money. If they pay me, I know they joke. If they pay me, no they do them. No they do them. No they do them.
I don't provoke you again. I go change that for you if I happen for your mouth again. For that nonsense what you do before. I go stomp into you here now. Nah.
You don't chop. Oga, answer me now. You don't chop.
Even at that one, not the way where you want you apologize to me for the loose guarding where you loose guarding me.
They apologize.
The chop why I want chop before I chop.
Why they go here? I say you don't chop food. Now food that they talk, not be here they talk.
Now I see they tell you say if you want make I chop this one, I want chop before I chop. And if you want make I chop before I chop, we'll go for backyard. Make I collect one mouth. I'll go to Panyo or Fuano. Weapon house now. You told me, sin house, and I'll give for mum. We'll leave for mum. Go with now, what now? You don't understand? Eh? Now, I'm not going to one nata. I'll go up one nata. I didn't ask you can tag now.
That's what we go do, Amo, because they need it for me.
Yeah. Come when you finger that. Oh,
Beat.
Thank you.
Hey, Adam. Oh, my son. You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me just see the elders and your uncles all outside.
Omalicha Okechi. Okulo Kalisia. Ugebo Ibu. I am done. Look at yourself. Wow. This is beautiful.
I love it.
So you feel?
You know I'm equal to the tax. Please continue.
Adam, your uncles and all the elders, they are there. They are waiting for Okechi and their people.
Papa, I've called him. He said he's coming.
You see, they need to be here on time so that they will be able to go back on time.
No problem, Papa. Okechi keeps to time, so don't worry. It's
all right. I'm still with the elders, eh?
Okulo Kalisia. Hey, you're so happy for you. Thank you, my dear friend. So,
Mama, Ugo, you people should hurry up, please. don't want my in-laws to be the one waiting for us.
Papa, your food is ready.
Ugo, you are not prepared.
Mama is having her bath. Once she's done, I'll go. Yeah, eat.
I'm not hungry. Food is not my problem.
No, now you should eat something. You know, if you go there now, you might not have chance to eat again.
I said I'm not hungry now.
You will not be doing all these things. Like, it's just hurry now you do. If you go there, you know, just eat something.
Oh, yeah. Go and be preparing. Hurry up. Wear your clothes.
Okay.
Before you know it now, these people will start waiting for me.
Nobody want to be with, but I love you. Baby, and you love me.
Mama, you people should hurry up.
Oh my baby, make me relate to you. Make me relate. Make me try to connect to you. Make we connect. I don't understand for your gate to you, baby. Oh my baby. Oh my sweet yo. Oh my sweet yo.
Mama! Mama!
I go to ring your bell. Oh my baby. Even though I know be the best to you, baby. Oh my baby. Oh my baby. You're still the one who you're still the one who now you they play my offense, yo. Play my offense, yo. I go to play your defense, yo. Oh my baby. Even though they come with a back, yo, baby. Oh my baby.
Ugo! Yeah.
Try more. It's not picking. Same thing.
What?
I've been trying to call him. He's not picking his call.
Wait. Is it that his phone is switched off or he's not picking his call?
His phone is not off. I've tried to call him more than 10 times. He's not picking.
Hey!
Just calm down. He's not picking. Oh my goodness.
See. We don't need to waste any more minutes. The elders are angry and they are tired. Let us look for a way to get to Okechi because this shame only. Oh my. Then what are we going to do?
I don't know. I'm confused right now. I don't just know what to do, Papa. I don't know what to do. What am I going to do? That's not the reason why he will not pick my call. He should pick now. Let me know that. Let me know if he's okay or
Wait. We need to find a way out. What do we do now?
Okay, let me go there.
Oh, yeah. Hi. I will always know this more. Okay, what will I tell my brothers and the elders of this community?
Let me try again. Give me the phone.
Hey! Kevenga Konga.
Yes, no.
Don't worry, you wake up. Don't worry. Just give it.
I don't understand your father. What kind of sleep is this?
You wake up. He's going through a lot, like right now. You wake up.
You wake up?
It's not easy to arrange for marriage introduction. It's not easy. It's going through a lot.
Hell.
You wake up. Have you forgotten how we woke up almost 30 minutes ago? Did he wake? Just give him time. He will wake by himself.
Wait.
Don't worry, he will wake. It's not easy to plan marriage. It's not easy.
Sleeping and sweating like this. Are you sure he's fine?
He's fine. He's the one that said he wants to take a nap. He'll wake, don't worry.
This kind of nap,
Mama?
Leave back at the egg. Are you not the one that is still going to eat it there? Go inside. Gabriel, leave go in and Nina. Hey. Let's go. Where is the other food as well?
Let's go sleep. Let's have our own now.
I cannot do this. I cannot. Just look at how lonely my life has become without my child. Eh? It's obvious Ebube cannot fill this gap. He's not even close to. I just have to look for my child. I have to look for Ugo. Even if she doesn't come back with me, at least let me see her one more time. I need to see my child. Eh? Why did I even let her go? I need to look for my child. I have to. I cannot just continue like this. I just have to look for her. I have to.
Ogechi, wake up. Ogechi, oh God. Chiwe is waiting for you. Wake up. Ogechi.
Hey.
Mama.
Let's try water.
Yes, water will work.
Let's try water. Mama, water.
I don't even know what to do. I mean, I'm actually, how do I do it now? My God, Ogechi, wake up. Chiwe is sleeping. Ogechi, wake now. What kind of sleep is this?
No, don't worry. He says he's taking a nap. Shebi is only nap.
Nap. This is what you have been saying here. Nap. What is nap?
Nap is small sleep. You wake up.
Ogechi, Chima's kinsmen are waiting. What do I tell them, Mama, now?
Let's make another tea. What other tea?
So, like what? Like what?
Should we use soap in his eyes?
Surely soap.
Go and look for soap now.
Ogechi, wake up now.
If it's possible, go and look for
wake
soap.
up now.
Nah.
Okay, where is he?
What happened?
I've not seen what happened.
What now?
Can you stop crying and explain
what?
this? Just calm down and explain to me what
Can you tell me one?
Okay, Chief. He's sleeping uncontrollably.
What?
Just wake him. You should just wake him up now.
Wait. Romaya? Seri Hose. Hey! I said this.
Wait.
Huh? Help me here.
Are you sure he's alive? Of course he is. Oh my God.
I'm finished. Okay, I'm finished. What am I going to do? Okay, what am I going to do? Okay, you shouldn't do this to me now. You shouldn't do this to me. You shouldn't do this to me. Okay. People are outside waiting. Yes, my phone.
Mama! Ugo! People are not dressed. Come on. This is 4 p.m. We are late. Go and dress first. The introduction now.
It's not 4 p.m. This is 4 a.m.
Eh?
Emba, huh?
How?
You say how? Eh? You have been sleeping now. I should be asking you of that. Tell me, what did you eat that made you sleep like this?
What do you mean by sleep like this? I don't understand. I'm telling you, let us go for the introduction.
You've been sleeping. You slept from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. What is it?
Mama, this is a joke. You better stop it, though.
Now, I'm going to go back.
the most important thing is that he's awake now. So, what is the way forward?
From 11 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Mama, why didn't you wake me up?
Well, I said we did everything. He went me feeling it. I'm going to Can you imagine? Ugo, are you hearing me?
No way. Now, let's plan again. When next are we going for the introduction? Let's plan again. It's never too late.
I only said let me take a nap.
Go put on nap. 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. I'm on nap. So I don't know.
We can still go now. It's just 4 a.m. We can still go. Papa, what happened now?
I don't know. I can't just explain it, Mama.
Did you take excessive alcohol?
Mama, 1% of alcohol did not pass through this my mouth.
Then what happened? This is strange.
Honestly, because just all of a sudden you slept off, and all effort to wake you was abortive. Are you sure God is not trying to give us a sign or tell us something?
Mama, let me go and see my in-laws.
You need to go because Ugo was here early yesterday.
Let me go and see them.
Mama, you're not thinking what I'm thinking.
My daughter, what is that?
That God is trying to show us something or give us a message.
Please, we need to talk.
There is nothing to talk about. Get out.
My love, we have a lot to talk about, please.
And I said there is absolutely nothing to talk about.
I want you to hear me out. Just hear me out. It's not my fault, though. Please, just hear me out.
Listen, I don't want to be mad at you right now. If you know what is good for you, pack your load and get out!
My love, please now. I wish you can hear me out. I want to explain to you what happened.
There is nothing to explain. Now listen, my father is very angry at you. If you don't leave, I'll tell him to call the police to get you arrested. Now get out! Get out!
Please, hear me out.
Okechi, I'm not happy with you. I'm just coming back from your place now. And they told me you went to see Chinwe.
Yes.
Yes. Did you just say yourself, yes? Okay, what was that for? See, if not that you were my friend, I would have said that you were on Kolos yesterday.
Thank God you know I don't smoke.
And Amacha?
I didn't see Igbo. Not to talk of Kolos. Thank God you know.
Hi! You just messed everything. They were just waiting for you. Not. Did you see the way you were sleeping? Not even sleeping, you were even snoring.
I was snoring.
Like so loud. You needed to have seen yourself doing that.
Hi! Oh God. Why is my own always different?
Hi!
On the day of my introduction, I was sleeping and snoring. How do I even explain that?
This is not funny. Honestly. Do you know what is marriage? So you still want to be doing this in this village? My friend, you have to think twice now.
How did it go with her?
It did not go well. She refused to listen to me.
That is so bad of her. She should have at least listened to you.
Exactly what I'm saying. But she refused to hear me out. She even refused not to talk.
Now what? Maybe it's not the will of God for both of you to marry now. Hmm?
Why do you say so?
Why do I say so? Because, just check it now. You check it.
Check what?
See, of all days to fall into deep sleep, it's your introduction day. It's not normal now. Check it, it's not normal. So, for me, I don't think it's the will of God. But I think it's for a great reason. Don't you think so?
And what could be the reason?
The reason? Okay, don't get angry. It's for my own. I'm just saying for my own mind. Number one, it could be that it's not God's will for both of you to marry. Number two, maybe God wants you and my mother to reconcile.
Hey, shut up. Shut up. Don't even connect your mother with this. In fact, I don't want to hear you mention your mother to my hearing again. Do you hear me?
Sorry.
I even thought you had something to say. Not knowing that you have nothing. Don't provoke me.
Sorry I made you angry.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry.
Don't mention your mother here again, no.
Okay. But that is why I said...
now. No pim.
Chinwe, have you heard from Okechi after the incident?
Okay, please. He's the last person I want to talk about right now.
Chi, I understand you're very angry. Eh?
Angry is an understatement. Okay, I am paranoid.
I know, but you still need to hear from him.
I just told you he's the last person I want to talk with right now. So, what are you doing here? Stay away from this! What are you doing here? Get out of my phone! Come on!
Jimmy.
Please. I'm sorry. I don't even know what happened that day. Please, I'm sorry. Why alone?
Listen to me. There is nothing to talk about rather than you ridiculed me. And you've gotten what you wanted. Now leave. I just want you to ridicule you over my dead body. Get out! Time to leave. I don't want to stay.
I'm sorry.
And Okechi, we need to go. As you can see, she's very angry, eh?
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere.
Go.
No, I want her to hear me out.
Okay, tell this idiot! That is bastard! Let's get her to leave!
I did not mean to slip off. How can I
It's okay. Stop crying. Let's go.
Okay, please, focus her.
Go now.
Oh my baby, make me
I don't want to say it. I don't have anything to do with him.
Fine.
What the
Mama wake koku ichonje enyo wake koku Mama
Where is your father?
I guess he went to see and chill.
I discovered he did not eat his food last night.
He did not eat anything today. He didn't eat anything.
Why is he doing this to himself?
I don't know. He's back.
Nna.
Good morning.
Morning, dear. You don't look happy.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about me.
Papa, you'll be fine when you eat something. You have not eaten anything and you're saying you'll be fine.
I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry.
Ha! If you continue like this, you hurt yourself. Oh. And you know you cannot cope without food.
Ugochinyere, my daughter. I'll be fine. I don't have appetite. Okay? Don't worry about me.
But we're already worried now. we're worried.
Mama, please, I'll be fine. I'll eat later. You people should be fine. Forget about it.
Mama, you better do something now before somebody will complain of ulcer.
Oh, where?
I'm saying maybe he's passing through breakfast, but no, I know it's noise, but at least.
Chinwe, you just have to hear him out. Oh?
Okay, there is nothing he will say that would justify the embarrassment he has put me through. Nothing!
Don't conclude for him yet. Eh? See, allow him to say whatever he wants to say. It would be very unfair to take decision without hearing from him.
Alright, I will, but I beg you. He has nothing to offer.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I said I'm not hungry. Okay?
How can you not be hungry when you have not eaten anything? Is it possible?
I'm not hungry. Do you want to force me?
I'm not forcing you, but come and eat something. Hey, Papa, stop doing this to yourself. You want to starve yourself?
I said I'm not hungry. What is it? It's about me.
No, Papa, I'm doing it because of one sound.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Father, I cannot leave you. Come and eat something.
Better stop all this drama. Stop all this drama.
I want to come and eat something. Papa, see, stop doing this to yourself. Stop watching yourself. We must have defeated them all.
Oh yeah. Oh my baby, make me relate to you.
Ugo, what's going on here?
Make me try to connect to you.
He has refused to eat something for the past 3 days now.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe he's still angry at himself for sleeping on your introduction day.
It's okay. Let me have the food. You can go inside.
Now you they play my offense, I go they play your defense, even though they come with attack, baby. We must have defeated them all. I'll be your 001, you be my 002. Oh my baby, you they tingling me for my body.
Omaletam, believe me, I did not mean to sleep. I mean, how can I sleep on the day of my introduction? Eh? How can I even hurt you? I swear to God, I did not plan it. Please, just believe me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I believe you.
Believe me?
Yes.
Eh? Believe me?
Yes, I do. Don't you eat your
I didn't mean to.
It's okay.
I swear, through to God, I didn't mean to.
It's okay.
I was surprised. Even till now, I'm still angry with myself. Because how can I sleep?
Don't worry, I have forgiven you. Let me feed you.
Are you sure you are forgiving me?
Yes, I'm serious about it.
Eh? Okay, let me start by feeding you. Let me be the one to feed you. Omaletam. Hey. Let me feed you again. Hi.
It's nice.
Yes. I've been eating for days now.
Don't worry, let me feed you now. You don't have to starve yourself like that.
baby, and you love me. Nobody can put us asunder. Oh my baby, make me relate to you. Make me relate to you. Make we try to connect to you. Make we connect. I don't understand for your gate to you, baby. Oh my baby. Oh my sweet yo, oh my sweet yo. Now you dey ring my alarm.
Chiwe, I don't need to be told that it went well.
Yes, it went well.
So you guys are back together?
Yes.
But did he tell you why he slept like that the other day?
Talking about how he slept that day will only open a wound.
You're right. You're actually right.
So I did not allow him to talk about it.
Okay. But have you people chosen another date?
Not yet. From the way he sounded, soon he will choose another date.
Okay. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Ibe! Only you? Only me now? What's happening? Why are you drinking all alone? Happy reunion. I don't understand. Happy reunion. Happy reunion! Okay, my friend. Please calm down. Just explain to me. Let me understand. I've reconciled with my beautiful queen. My elegant, elegant. My queen Chinwe. We are now back and better. Really? Just like that? Just like that. You can't imagine. You are drinking. How many do you have here? You can't imagine. See, let me warn you. Please, I don't want you to sleep. The next time you will have an appointment with her over my dead body. Please, let it be so. Never. Lufuya. It will never happen. It will not. I help you. Okay. You could check up to me. It's okay. Now. Just came. Nobody's at home. My mother just left, but she will soon be back. She went out with Ugo. Ugo? She's just loving that girl. They have even turned to gist mates. I'm telling you. You know I don't need any DNA. To confirm that. No DNA. My very good friend. She's my daughter. And now I give you tea. I'll tell them to make tea for you. Tea. Leave beer.
Fine girl with big sense. Fine girl with Odogu character. It's not this thing that these people are doing. They'll give you fine woman. You don't want to marry fine woman. I'll give you another woman. Woman that makes sense. On my own wedding day. On my own wedding day, this is how I will just walk majestically.
Even though I know be the best to your baby, oh my baby, oh my baby, you're still the one who you're still the one who now you didn't play my fancy, play my fancy,
I'm not happy. I'm not just happy.
What happened?
Somebody called and threatened me to stay away from Chinwe.
Oh, yeah. Has it gotten to that extent? Oh God! Why now? Why are people wicked? But this thing is showing you something, but you cannot see it. This thing is telling you something, but you cannot see it. You have to be spiritual. See, Papa, for you, okay, see, the other day, on your introduction day, you slept off. Now somebody is calling to threaten you. Is it not enough? Is it not enough? They should leave you. No, they should not kill you now. If I'm the one, you better leave all these things though. All these things that wahala. trouble. Just leave it and face something that will give you peace of mind. What is all this nonsense now? Something that I've been calling you, doesn't mean disturbing you. Just marry my mother, you.
Hey, shut up, Osiso. Don't mention that your mother again. Who is your mother? That Amadioha in human form. That calamity. What am I even discussing? Why am I even here discussing with you? See my mother.
I'm scared of you.
Don't get me angry the more. Don't get me angry the more. Kill the law, what is it? What kind of temptation is this?
Marry somebody that will give you peace of mind. Yeah, didn't die. That didn't shakara. But to the introduction day, you slept off. Meaning what? Look at me now. On my introduction day, come and see me. I'll be sharp. I'll prepare. I'll wait for the exact time. No shaking. And I'm begging you to do wedding official. Even though they come with attack, baby, my baby. We must have defeated them all.
Chimere mobioma he, wemne welo viganya. Chimere mobioma he. Hello?
Hello, Ma. Mama, it's me, Ugo.
Ugo, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mama. How are you too?
My child, I'm doing well, just that I miss you so much.
Me too, I miss you. That's why I want both of you to reconcile so that we'll live together, you get?
Ugo, why do you like spoiling my day with this issue pertaining your father? Why?
Mama, you know you can actually sort whatever problem you have with my father. So that both of you will live again together. I don't like the fact that both of you are separated. It's making me worried.
Your father has failed to live up to expectation on them, so it will remain like that.
Mama, please now, for my sake. See, if you want me to be happy again, just help me reconcile with him.
No, you are asking for the impossible. It can never happen. Bye-bye.
She doesn't want me to talk about my father.
It's okay. It's okay, eh? I pray that your effort in trying to reunite your parents will not be in vain.
Pray so.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hello?
Chinwe, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, who am I speaking with?
Okechi is cheating on you right now.
That is not true. Okechi cannot cheat on me for no reason.
The only reason to know if he cheats or not, why not go to his house right now and see for yourself? Yes.
Okay, but please, who am I speaking with? Hello? Hello? Papa? Papa?
Who are you?
What do you want to do with my identity?
What are you doing here? How did you get in here?
Does it matter? Well, I just want you to come.
Come and do what?
Calm down now.
Who are you?
Be calm.
What do you mean I should be calm? Who are you now? Wait! Get Give me now!
Baby, who is this? Baby, who is this?
Who is your baby? Who is your baby? Omalitam.
What are you doing here?
It's not what you think, oh. I don't know this girl. Baby, it's not what you think, oh.
Baby.
Holy Ghost fire.
Baby.
Holy Ghost fire.
Baby.
Who is your baby?
Baby.
Omalitam. I swear to God, it's not what you think. I swear it's not what you think, oh.
Really?
Yes, I don't know that girl.
And she's on top of you, rocking you, backing you, turning you up and down.
Set up! Oh yeah, that was a setup. I'm not going that girl. I don't know her.
Did you just say set up?
Yes. Somebody is fighting very hard to destroy our beautiful relationship. Eh?
I don't believe you.
Excuse me! Wait now, Omalitam! It's not what you think, oh! Oh. This guy, you have an explanation to make. Wait.
What do you want?
Mama, what are you I want? Now you I want. I know say I don't do you bad well. I know say I don't make more. I don't meander. I don't lose guard for where you there well. I know say you too love me. I me come before your hand. Eh? I don't come make I beg you. I beg. Make you forgive me, make we dey as we did before. If you want beat me, beat me. If you want slap me. If you want stampede me. But make you forgive me. Oh, beg now. Penzi Wangu. Make I tell you something, eh? If you forgive me this time around, I go love you till I die. Just like Ojukwu loved Bianca. Oh? Because Mama me what Thank now. Kosianu. You forgive me. Mama me what because Kosianu.
Hey! Ugo, woman! You said it. You told me that I'm living with the real enemy. You said it! Sawadera. There is no problem.
Chinwe, you shouldn't have referred to him as a village tout.
That was the only way to prove to Sparkle that I have nothing to do with him.
Chinwe, don't tell me you're going to throw away your relationship of 6 years with Okechi. Eh?
It's already done.
Hey, Chinwe.
Sparkle is the real deal here. He loves me so much and he promised to make me happy.
Chinwe, I am totally lost. You see this one? Idalia. No. You see this one? You're doing the wrong thing. As in,
why are you shaking your head like a gamma lizard? What's your problem?
Me.
Were you not the one that told me that God is saying something when Okechi disappointed me on my introduction day? Were you not the one?
Chinwe, I said that. Eh? But this is happening so fast. It's Okechi we are talking about. Oh. You're Okechi.
Clean your mouth.
Hey, Chinwe.
Shut up.
Chinwe, you're mean.
Let me give you the shocking news of your life. Even if I was married before and I met that guy on the road, hey, I would just abandon my marriage,
Hey!
chan, and go straight. Do you know what? My Sparkle baby promised to take me to Bodoibo. Hey!
Chinwe.
What is it?
I wish you the best, oh.
Look at this one.
Poverty
is written all over you. Wake up!
Chinwe, let me tell you, eh? All that glitter is not gold. This is too good to be real now.
Wake up! Look at this one, oh. So you want to die in this poverty? I'm out. Chinwe is out.
Chinwe is out.
Yes, I am out.
Chinwe is out, right? Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you. It's because you're my friend and I like you so much. I warned you.
Who will advise each other?
Chinwe, I warned you.
Look at this one. I'm trying to upgrade. Look at it. Are you not tired of putting on this thing? Look at me now. Look at what I'm putting on. Are you not tired?
I see.
Me, I'm tired.
I see.
I don't want to
You're
suffer
very
again.
greedy.
You're very
greedy.
You're losing a lot.
Go. I'm going.
Look at this one.
But anything that happens to you, eh? Just I didn't want you. See,
close that thing.
I'm going.
You guys don't even have good shop to take care of yourself.
I'm going. I want you. I want you.
Die in poverty.
You have not been yourself since Omasiri left. Later you'll be telling me that you don't love her.
Which kind of nonsense talk be that? No, which kind of nonsense capping be that? Which kind of nonsense love talk? Who they talk of love?
Okay, so then tell me now, what is it? Tell me, let me hear it.
It be like say mad people they do crusade for your head, Abi. No, it be like say bump there your head, Abi. You know, no say all the money where me and you the chow for this year go. No, Masiri, they vomit them. I should be my ATM machine now. I should be my mode of survival for this year go. You know, no say pack work, no to the pay again.
Wait, I don't understand. So like, as you are now, you are broke. I beg. Go back and beg her. Lie down like anything you have to do. Just lie down for her. Next week is my birthday. I need cream. I need to change my hair. Now look at my bag. I need to touch up. You have to beg her. Anything you need to do, go and beg her.
No say this, man. You know, say the manager for this echo. You know, no.
You stand in my very before you dey make more. You dey lose guard, you dey what? I dey talk, you dey talk. I dey cap, you talk. Make I warn you. Make I warn you. Oh, one dey talk, you dey talk. Oh, one dey talk. Make I warn you. If I see you anywhere near my hood again, what I want here now? No, cook. Look at this spot where the smell why they manage. Dirty fool will come from village. You know, no say the manager they manage you. If I see you anywhere near my hood again, I go stampede you. You see you? My about to God will make me and you. I don't mark your face. Pam magidia. Go in out bomb. Obi na wagom. Oh, yeah, Obi can you now? Call the girl for me. They call me. Right, the one there. Obi apa wafa. Obi apa wa. Kele go ticket. Kele go ticket. Tinya ru no book email my account. So wagom.
Leave my house! Get out! Get out! I don't want to push you. Leave my house.
You want to say, but when they call me?
Leave my house. I don't even want to hear you talk. Just get out.
Well, first of all,
I can't wait to go. I don't want to talk. Just leave.
What are they calling me for? Waiting they cause all these things. My name is Ebube Obio. I don't tell you where. I'm not going to scare you again.
Okay.
Oh?
Ebube Obio. Leave my house.
That's Ebube. Because you are not.
Leave my house. Get out of my house.
I go die, you.
I don't care.
If you say I can come up for your life, I go die.
I don't care. Get out. Just walk away from my house. Walk away. Keep walking. Just keep walking. Don't stop. Who cares if your name is Chukwuebuka or Ewe? Okay, let me drink. Don't finish.
I did not know.
Give me my drink.
He's a good man after all. Just like he said, he was not ready at that time. And I really don't blame him. From all indication, it is not working between me and Ebwe. He's the fourth man I've been with since I came to the city, and none of them materialized into something serious. Just look at me. I'm not gotten any younger. By now, I should be living with a man that I can comfortably call my husband, not a boyfriend who does not care about the future. If I decide to go back to Okechi, the question is, will he accept me? Really?
Mama, I want to tell you why I said that God used that to save my life.
You said so.
Mama, do you know that I went to Chinwe's house and met her with a man?
How?
Chinwe.
What?
Akunike. Chinwe. It did not end there. Chinwe looked at me from head to toe and called me an illiterate. It did not even end there. Chinwe looked at me, she looked at me and called me a village tout. As if it did not end there. the food that she brought to her father's house ordered these boys to throw me out.
That one is a slap on your face.
Hey.
Hey! Now what?
Why? God forbid. Mama, she said she was managing me. That she was even dating me out of pity. How? Why? Women.
But it is like this now that you have confirmed she's not meant for you. Both of you are not meant for each other. What's the way forward? Are you not going to marry my mother?
It's better.
It's better. No choice. I will marry her, but where can I find her?
Ugo will take you to where she lives. Ugo will take you to Lagos.
Ugo, you will take me there? Are you sure you still remember?
Yes.
Hey!
Miracle.
Hey! Mama, sorry.
Mama.
Ha! Uko hapo no.
No.
I'm sorry. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know where to begin. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. Hey. I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
Welcome. No.
I'm sorry.
No. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Come and sit down.
Mama.
Your mother.
I missed you. I missed you. You have no idea how lonely I've been without you.
Hell!
Today I was calling you. You're calling me strong woman.
Sorry.
I want to be to stay together.
That one is a forgotten name.
One nonsense man.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
You are still tossing so. And your car is still the way.
A guy you no go guy you, cause this you go na old cargo. Anything you think you say you know, you go no, pass you water. Before you should go don't see. Before you talk, you know what you want talk. Now right here, she just the fight you. I want see my papa, I want to go home. Go. She be so